Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on the Kinga facial steamer. I got this off of Amazon for about $28. It also comes with a blackhead and blemish remover kit. It was pretty easy to set up. You just plug it up, and you also have like a little thing, I don't know what's the correct name for it, that you put water in it and then you put it inside the steamer, and that's how the steam comes out of the steamer. So while the steam is actually going, I'm going to apply the Origins face mask to my face. I'm actually applying it with my brush, and then I'll give you guys my opinion of the steamer. Do I like it? Do I not like it? Would I recommend it? And yeah, so y'all just keep watching. Okay, y'all, I actually really enjoyed this steamer. Like, the steam wasn't too hot. It was like perfect. But I did notice if you the closer you get to it, the hotter it feels. So of course you don't want to have your face directly like over the steam. When you're using it, you do have to kind of keep it still, because I was trying to move it around. I noticed every time I moved it, the steam would stop coming out. So you got to make sure you leave it still and like position it in the perfect place where you want it, because I felt like I had mine up a little too high and I kept trying to move it, and as you see, like every time I moved it, the steam would stop coming out. But other than that, like, I really enjoyed it. Oh my god, this just felt so good. Like, so far I highly recommend it. Like, you need this. Just really give you like that at home spa feeling. Okay, y'all, after about 10 minutes, the steamer does shut off on its own. I did notice after using the steamer for the full 10 minutes, when I did finally take off my mask, my face did feel a little tight. Now, I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but I did want to make y'all aware of that. I did feel some tightness after taking my mask off. I'm going to show y'all in a second what my face, okay, that's what my face looked like after the mask and everything dried down with the steamer. I highly recommend the steamer. Like, I like it so far. I'm definitely going to use it once or twice a week. I highly recommend it. Like I just said, yeah, it's definitely worth the $28. So if you're in the market for a good face steamer, I believe this will be the one that you should definitely check out. So y'all, I'm going to go now. That's the end of the video. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.